Today, we're taking a closer look at the Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra, a powerhouse device that brings flagship performance, cutting-edge features, and a unique design to the table. Asus has built a reputation for crafting smartphones with no compromises, and the Zenfone 12 Ultra is no exception. If you're in the market for a device that merges top-tier specs with versatility and durability, this one might just be what you've been waiting for. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Design and build quality. The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra is a bold and well-crafted device with a strong focus on durability and style. It measures 163.8 by 77 by 8.9 millimeters and weighs 220 grams, giving it a solid feel in the hand. Despite its size, the phone is comfortable to hold thanks to its ergonomic design and premium materials. The front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the aluminum frame adds an extra layer of toughness. With an IP68 rating, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is both dust-tight and water-resistant, capable of surviving submersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. It's built for those who want a device that can handle the rigors of everyday life without sacrificing style. Display. At the heart of the Zenfone 12 Ultra is a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display. This screen is more than just big, it's designed for those who crave a top-notch visual experience. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a peak brightness of 2500 nits, this display is sharp, vibrant, and remains easily visible even under direct sunlight. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth performance, whether you're scrolling through social media or playing high-end games. The display supports HDR10 for punchy colors and deep contrast, while the always-on feature keeps your most important information at a glance. Performance. Under the hood, the Zenfone 12 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on an advanced 3nm process. The octa-core CPU combines two high-performance Oryon V2 Phoenix L cores clocked at 4.32 GHz with 6 efficiency cores for smooth multitasking and excellent power management. Whether you're running demanding apps, editing videos, or playing the latest games, the Adreno 830 GPU delivers top-tier graphics performance without breaking a sweat. The Zenfone 12 Ultra comes with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage, providing lightning-fast app launches and enough space for all your files, photos, and games. The Zenfone 12 Ultra runs on Android 15 with Asus's lightweight Zen UI, offering a clean, near-stock experience with useful customizations. While it only promises 2 major Android updates, Asus's history of providing consistent security patches should help keep the device secure and up-to-date for years to come. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will love the triple camera system on the Zenfone 12 Ultra, which delivers impressive results in almost any situation. The 50MP main sensor, complete with gimbal optical image stabilization (OIS), captures sharp and detailed photos even in low light. It's perfect for everything from everyday shots to professional-grade photography. The 32MP telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom, allowing you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing quality. Meanwhile, the 13MP ultra-wide camera with a 120 degrees field of view is ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes or group photos. The device supports 8K video recording at 24 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second, with advanced stabilization features ensuring smooth, high-quality footage. The Zenfone 12 Ultra doesn't skimp on the selfie experience either. Its 32MP front camera offers impressive detail and clarity, ensuring your selfies look their best, even in challenging lighting conditions. With support for 1080p video recording, it's perfect for video calls, vlogging, or live streaming. Audio and connectivity. For those who appreciate great sound, the Zenfone 12 Ultra features stereo speakers and high-res audio support, ensuring an immersive listening experience whether you're watching movies or listening to music. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack, a rare find in modern flagship smartphones, which allows audiophiles to use their high-end wired headphones without an adapter. Connectivity-wise, it supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standards, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC for contactless payments. Battery and charging. Battery life is another area where the Zenfone 12 Ultra shines. The device is equipped with a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring you can go all day without worrying about finding a charger. When it's time to power up, the 65W wired charging can take the battery from 0 to 100% in just 39 minutes. The Zenfone 12 Ultra also supports 15W wireless charging and 10W reverse wired charging, making it easy to top up your other devices on the go.
What sets it apart?
The Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra is a phone for those who want the best of everything. Its gimbal-stabilized main camera, massive battery, and high-res audio support make it a unique offering in the flagship segment. Add to that a 144Hz display, Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and 3.5mm headphone jack, and you have a device that's designed to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiast.
Final thoughts.
In a world where many smartphones look and feel the same, the Asus Zenfone 12 Ultra stands out by doing things a little differently. It's powerful, feature-rich, and built to last. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or someone who simply wants a reliable flagship device, the Zenfone 12 Ultra has something to offer. If you're looking for a phone that pushes boundaries without compromise, the Zenfone 12 Ultra should be on your radar.
Thanks for tuning in.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech content.
See you next time.